This is one of the pieces with this kit right here. It goes like this. Okay, we're gonna do something a little bit different with it. I've already primed, mostly primed. I guess I need to finish priming the 4th of July. And if you all notice, I have them down on painter's tape. The reason I do that is it holds these small pieces down. I love this. Y'all, I'm telling you, I'm loving using the Totally Dazzled with my kits. So let's start with the red, white, and boom. Red, white, and boom. Okay. Okay, so I use, oh, the label's gone. It's called Stick Fast. I use the CA Thick. I have some red Posh Chalk. This is going to be a metallic, okay? This is going to be a metallic red. And I'm going to put a little more on here. So there's red. I do have this Color Shift metallic white flash is what it's called. Let's use this. Okay, this is really cool. Let me see if you all can pick up how it's metallic. I had my gold and silver right here. Here's my gold. You guys, we're doing all gold. I love that look. We're gonna decorate these stars with some Totally Dazzled. Right now, all those are gold. That's white. Boom is going to be blue. We're going to do an amazing blue color. We're going to put this phthalo blue. Look at that blue. And look at how it. Okay, this one. Red, white, and boom. I stained the back. This is the very back. I stained the background. I really like the flag, but I think the flag is going to be, ooh, I don't know. Okay, we like the flag. Let's glue this baby down. Let's glue this down. We're going to glue our words down. So I'll take my red. We're going to put that word down. Grab it with my tweezers, okay? All right. And place it. We're going to go ahead and get our stars on here because we're going to use some Totally Dazzled. Now, we're going to put the flag down with this also. I'm going to use the raised parts of the flag. I want to do some bling on these stars. I want to do some bling on these stars. It rolls those over so that they're easy to get a hold of. See how nicely it's those little ridges in the bottom there. And my picker pen. I am going to do red. This is the ruby from the Totally Dazzled Applicator Kit. I am not going to completely bling each one of these out It's going to be like the highlights. Let's see here. The white. Let's see it sparkle. See that sparkle? Oh my gosh, look how fun that is. So much fun. This orange is the perfect color for gold. Oh my gosh, I love this. Let's do the next one. Let's see how quickly we can get the next one done. Let's see. Happy 4th of July. Here's my idea. Here is my idea. I want to do the words in the red, white, and blue similar to what I did that. And we're going to make our red paint. We make it a paint consistency by adding a little bit of water. All right. Then we're going to glue our words down. Oh, let's see. We need to paint this gold. This gold is absolutely gorgeous. And it goes that piece. I'm going to put my little pile of glue down again, like I did before. I'm going to take my tweezers and I'm going to dip my happy lightly in there. Lightly. And then I move it around. Okay, now I'm going to put it right on top. Okay, so this would be what we're doing. What we're going to do is this is what I want on there. Let's do some stones on our Happy 4th of July. Okay, that looks so cute. Okay, I want some red on my 4th. I think the T and H need to be blinged up too. You guys, look at that. Y'all, Totally Dazzled is to have fun with. Totally Dazzled is to have fun with. I hope that you guys take it serious when I say, don't be serious with your Totally Dazzled. Look at how fabulous it is on everything. Who would have thought that we'd be using a bunch of Totally Dazzled on wood kits, right? Thank you, thank you, thank you. We will see you later.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free printable sparkle quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.